Stop scrolling. Look at your keyboard. It's organized in the QWERTY layout. Most people assume this layout is the fastest way to type. But what if I told you the QWERTY layout was originally invented to slow down the typist? In the 1870s, when typewriters were first invented, people typed too quickly. When typing speeds were too high, the mechanical keys would jam, causing the typist to stop and manually fix the mess. Christopher Sholes, the inventor, reorganized the keys, placing the most common letter combinations far apart to reduce speed and prevent jamming. So the layout you use today isn't about efficiency. It's a 150-year-old solution to a mechanical problem that no longer exists. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts hiding in plain sight.